Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Paysafe to Paysafe. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that helps me out. So to get started with this easy step-by-step guide, so the first thing you have to know is that Paysafe card does not allow direct transfer between two Paysafe accounts or codes. And here is a simple workaround how you can simply share the balance by using one of these methods. So there is the first option is to share the Paysafe card code. So if you have bought a Paysafe card code, which is in 16-digit code, send the code to another person using a text or email. Then they can use this to pay online on supported website or service. And here's the key note that once used, the balance will decrease, and so only shared with someone you trust. And here's another option, which is to use the Paysafe account transfer, which is indirect use. If you have my Paysafe account, you can use the balance to purchase something online for the other person. For example, you can pay their subscription, pay a gift card and all of that, or sell your code to them and they load it into their account if they were local. And there's no official send button like on PayPal or Cash App to send money, and that's how you can simply send money from Paysafe to Paysafe. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.